I've officially been drinking hydrogen water for a year now. I've drank hydrogen water every single day for the past year. I've gotten so many benefits of it. If you want to hear a little bit more about those benefits and what I've been seeing, I'll link a video up at the top here that you can watch. I won't jump into that too much today because I want to talk about this new Echo Flask. This is the brand new hydrogen water bottle from Echo H2O. They've replaced their Echo Go and the Echo Go Plus with this Echo Flask, so I had to get my hands on it. I purchased this with my own money, okay? I did not get sent this bottle. I did not get paid to make this video. I'm literally just making this video because I got this. I've been loving it. I've been loving Echo H2O's products ever since I've gotten them over a year ago. And it's new and improved since their Echo Go and their Echo Go Plus. I actually do like this one better, not only because it produces more parts per million into the water that's inside, but it does have a larger capacity. So this will hold 12 ounces versus the 10 ounce that the Echo Go Plus held. And it also has this really cool touchscreen on the side, as you can see here. I'll show you a little clip here of how I've been using it, and then I'll come back and I'll talk a little bit more about this and about hydrogen water. So it has this touchscreen on the side. You can start a cycle by pressing that button, and you can also pause your cycle, run a cleaning cycle, pair it via Bluetooth to the app, so it'll actually track how many flasks you're drinking a day over the course of a week, a month, which is really cool. You'll fill it with filtered water. I use reverse osmosis water. You'll put the cap on to continue the cycle. Now with the cap, it does have this logo that runs. You'll want to make sure it kind of clicks into place so it's perfectly either parallel or perpendicular to the bottle. So you'll want to make sure that you tighten that all the way before you start your cycle. You'll let the 10-minute cycle run. There is just one cycle with this one. It comes with this really nice charger, which I was pleasantly surprised by. It actually comes with the plug too, which the others did not. And it plugs right into the side, so it's super convenient. You can actually run a cycle while it's charging too, which is something that I like. Now that little dot that I showed is really important. You'll have to press that to release the pressure before you open the bottle. The bottle will not open if you don't press that. This is a little sneak peek into the app where you can actually manually track your flasks per day. You can actually set up a routine in here as well. So it'll give you the amount that you should be drinking based on the results that you're trying to get. So say it's for recovery, maybe it's for just overall health or inflammation. You can set your routine in here, and you can put a goal in here if you'd like. Echo also put a really helpful video library in the app, so you know exactly how to set up and use your bottle the right way. Okay, so you just saw how I've been using the Echo Flask. I've actually been using this one now for a little over 4 weeks. I've got this a little over a month ago, and the benefits, I'm still seeing the same benefits as I have been this whole past year from drinking hydrogen water. I know there's some people out there that will say like this is a complete farce. It is woo-woo, it doesn't work, it's not a thing. How can you add more hydrogen to water? Water's literally H2O. Like, just do the research if you want to. If you don't want to, that's fine too. But I have seen benefits from hydrogen water. That is all I'm speaking on. I am not a scientist. I am not a doctor, but I have done my own research and I have seen my own benefits from drinking hydrogen water, so I'm going to continue to do it. For me, yes, I understand this is an investment. This is a lot of money to spend on a water bottle, but it gives me health benefits that far outweigh the cost of this. I was actually paying for services and stuff before I started drinking hydrogen water that I no longer have to spend over $200 a month on now that I have this, because I get the same benefits from this as I did other things, which we can talk about in a separate video if you want me to, but I personally think this is worth the price. Now, of course, I'm going to say that because I have seen the benefits. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments for me. If you've never drank hydrogen water before, let me know. I personally think hydrogen water tastes the same as normal water. I don't see a huge difference. Some people will say it'll taste a little lighter, like it still tastes like water, but it tastes a little lighter. But I personally think it tastes just about the same as regular water. And some people will also comment and say, well, yeah, of course you're seeing benefits. You're drinking water and you're being hydrated. I drank more water before I started drinking hydrogen water than I do now, and did not see the benefits that I've gotten over the past year. So do I believe it's been hydrogen water? Yes, I personally do believe that. That is my own opinion. You can have your own opinion. And yeah, I'm going to continue to drink my hydrogen water, especially from Echo H2O. They are just a reputable company that I completely trust. I've spoken to the company myself. They stand behind their products, and I've seen, again, results from them. So I'm going to continue to use them. I did not, again, get paid to make this video. I only make videos on stuff that works for me. I do get a small commission if you decide to purchase a water bottle with my link that I'll put down below. But did I get paid to say this? No. Did I have to make this video? No. I don't create videos on things that are useless and don't work for me, and in turn, I don't feel like are beneficial for you guys watching my videos. So if you want to check out Echo H2O, more specifically their new Flask water bottle, I'll put the link below for you guys so you can check it out for yourself, and I will see you guys soon. Take care.